And we'll take the wash gun, stay Reggie, turn it on shampoo. So one touch on, one touch off. Shampoo and warm water coming out of the nozzle. And we can start washing the dog. And Reggie is getting a nice warm bath with all natural shampoo products. And this is Reggie's first bath, by the way. So just to let you know, he seems like he's doing pretty darn good in it. Aren't you, Reggie? Aren't you? Aren't you, bud? The shampoo will go to the flea and tick shampoo, which is an all-natural alternative to dangerous pesticides. Not that every dog needs it, but some do. We'll just do him for a quick minute. We're done with the conditioner. You'll go to rinse and rinse the dog off. You can now see that there is 6 minutes, about 6 minutes and 40 seconds still left on the clock as well. Now that we're done with that, we're going to hang the wash gun back up. Very similar to what professional groomers use.